Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Gladys Esperer. I'm 45 years old. I live in Bunuan Bukid Barracks, Haridugpan City, Pangasinan. I have 3 kids. I'm a college graduate. My hobbies is cleaning the house, ironing, cooking, gardening, and taking care of the baby. I have experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months. I served 8 families, 3 adults, and 5 children. In Hong Kong, we have 4 families. We have 2 adults and one child and 1 newborn baby. I cannot finish my contract in Hong Kong because I have misunderstanding to my employer.
Good day, Miss Gladys. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
Can we start?
Yes, ma'am.
What are your main duties to your previous employer?
My main duties is cleaning the house, washing, ironing, cleaning, car washing, and then going to market and taking care of the baby.
Please describe your daily activities from the morning until evening.
In the morning, I prepare the breakfast of my employer, and then after breakfast, I wash the dishes, and then I will start the clean the house, and after that, I go into the market, and then I prepare the dinner of my employer.
Can you cook some Chinese dishes? If yes, can you give us at least 3 dishes that you can cook?
Steamed fish, vegetable, and meat with beans.
Can you speak Cantonese?
No, ma'am.
What is the most important things taking care of children?
The most important is loving, caring, and safety.
Can you manage to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I can manage in base of my experience, and I am a mother of 2.
What if the child is naughty? How can you handle it?
I will talk to her in kindly, and then I will make story for her until stop her naughty.
What made you decide to work in Hong Kong?
I want to decide to work in Hong Kong for the support of my family.
How long do you plan to work in Hong Kong?
6 years or 12 years.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what will you do?
I will say sorry and avoiding anything.
Before we end, do you have any message to your future employer?
If I will given a chance, my future employer, I will do my best, and then I will treat of her families as my family also.
Thank you so much, Miss Gladys. Hope to see you soon in Hong Kong. Can you give us your best smile?